Yo, it's Will with Very Great Software. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, like the video, dislike the video, comment on the video, do whatever you want with this video. So in this video is part of a series. I've realized that you guys aren't watching like every single video. You guys are only watching the very first video and then just like not moving on. So if you guys could please stick around for the next video so you can see the next video. You can get a lot more content, a lot more great stuff out of this. But in today's video, stick through it. I'm going to be going over how to serve Pug templates through Express.js in your NodeJS server application. So that's what we're doing today. Let's dive into that. Also, I'm trying to stick to a new upload schedule, so I'm going to be uploading Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I did miss last Sunday just because I had some stuff scheduled around it and I wasn't able to get around to uploading a video. I deeply apologize for that. So in order for someone to actually visit like a web page, we need to have some sort of like file system management within our website here. So in order to do that, I just copied something from my previous projects. It's actually kind of straightforward. So this app.set here, you're setting a setting for Express here. And so Express has a setting called views. So like this is where you're going to be having like all your web pages, your JavaScript, your CSS, images, or anything like that that you're going to be having on your website that's going to be visible for people to see. That's going to be here in views. That's why we set up this folder called views. And then another setting that we need to set is the view engine, which is going to be Pug. And the reason why I'm doing Pug is actually pretty simple and straightforward. And we also need to install it. So we need to npm install save, and then I think it's just Pug. Yeah, so Pug, install Pug, and yeah, so we're using the view engine of Pug. And then here we're telling Express that we have some static files at /views. Let's create a new file, not HTML, Pug. So what's really nice about Visual Studio Code and Pug is if we just type in HTML here, we can get the HTML template Pug. And inside of our body, we can just say, hey. And then, all right, let's try this path.join. And then after we use path.join, we need to install it. So just install path. Okay, and then come up here to everything else. Say path is equal to require path. And then this should fix that issue. We'll see if that works. It does not work. Whatever, we're going to try to see if this works. And then do response.run. Oops. This needs to be response dot not redirect run. Oh my god. Okay, render and then index. So this should work. This needs something like that. Okay. Alright. I'm just being stupid. I'm trying to, because typically I just copy and paste some of my code from my other projects. And I figured I could probably just like get rid of something to make it a little bit easier. But what I had to do, so yeah, we're just using all this. I had to change this to a capital E to match with this, and then we have to include path, because what path is going to do is I think it'll just give it like the absolute path to the particular file. Otherwise, if we do the dir name plus views, it's not actually going to, it's going to do it like relative to the directory. So yeah, just like if you have like a bunch of subfolders within your views, you might receive some errors of it not being able to bring something up like a JavaScript file or whatever. And then I made a JavaScript folder within the views folder, and then inside there I put a main.js. And then my pug actually uses it, and then when we actually come here, we get a nice hi, and I don't know why this says error. I'm just gonna name this very great software, and then maybe that gets rid of the error. Yeah, so that gets rid of the error at the top here, with the tab. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There are going to be more videos in this series. Yes, this is a series. A lot of people don't watch the next videos in the series after I upload like the first video. They don't ever go to the next videos. Blows my mind. You guys are missing out on a bunch of good stuff. But yeah, in the next video we're going to be going over actually importing Google's Materialize into our index.pug here, using it to actually build a somewhat decent looking website. I don't really know. I can't guarantee that for you, but Google makes it pretty easy for you. So stick around for that video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.